Next I add here slicers. Then I will create custom slicer style for these slicers. So follow these steps as I perform. Active any chart. Go to pivot chart analyze tab. Then click on insert slicer. Select this field. Select state field, category and years. Click OK. Place this slicer at this position. Then press Ctrl key and select all slicers. Click on align, then click on align top. Then click on align or distribute horizontally. Then press mouse and resize these slicers. Then drag down and place at this position. Resize. Place this slicer at this position. Increase the column for this slicer too. Then right click on this slicer. Click on slicer setting. Check hide items with no data. Then drag and drop this slicer at this position. Select 4 columns or I select 3 columns. Then resize this slicer. Then drag and drop this slicer at this position. Select 4 columns for this slicer. Resize. Then select this slicer and add 2 columns. Press mouse and drag from right to left. Resize. Then select all these 4 slicers. Click on top alignment or bottom alignment. I select top alignment. Then I create custom slicer styles for these 4 slicers. I have already created custom slicer style. I create here same custom slicer style. So follow the steps as I perform. Click on new slicer style. First select all slicer. Then click on format. Click on font. Select font type calibri body. Then select font color black. Click on border. Select no border. Then click on fill tab. Select this color. Click OK. Again click OK. Then I see here new custom slicers is created. Then again right click on this style. Click on modify. This time select slicer header. Click on format. Select font type calibri body and select font color white. Then select no border and select no color for fill. Then click on OK. I see here slicer header is created. Again right click, click on modify. This time select this option. Selected item with data, click on format, then select this font type, select font color white, then select border, no border and fill, select this color, click OK. Again right click, this time select unselected item with data. Click on format, select font type, calibri, then change the font color black for unselected item, select no border and select fill color for not selected item discolor, click OK. Right click, click on modify. This time select overt selected item with data. Click on format, select font type calibri, select white color, select no border and select discolor for hover item. Click OK. Again right click, click on modify. This time select hovered unselected item with data. Click on format. Select font type calibri and select white color. No border. Then select again fill color discolor. Click OK. So this custom slicer is created. Select this slicer, then click on this slicer. I reformat this slicer header. Right click, click on modify, then select slicer header. Click on format, then select no fill color and font color white that is already selected. Click OK. I have selected no color for header but it shows white color. Again right click on modify, then select header, then select no background color. Click OK. Select white color, click OK. Then again click on modify, select header, click on format, select no color, click OK. Then select this slicer, click on this style, press Ctrl key, then select this slicer, click on this style, press Ctrl key and select this slicer, or reformat this slicer and remove this background color of header. Click on this style, then click on modify. I clear this format, click OK. Then again right click, click on modify, then select header, click on format, select font type calibri, then click on white, select border, select none, then click on fill. Keep as it is, no color for background. Click OK. Again click OK. So this time header for this style is formatted as I want. So if I hover on any slicer, I see here hover color is changed. Right click, click on report connections. Connect all these slicers to the pivot table. Then right click. Then right click on this slicer. Click on report connections. Connect all pivot table to this slicer. Click OK. Then hide the ribbon. So if I click on this slicer, I see here the selected color for this slicer is changed. I also see here color for unselected slicer. So custom slicer style is working. Select this button, then click on this button, then click on this button. So all these slicers are working. In this way we can create custom slicer style. So almost this dashboard is completed. In the next video I create here collapsible button.